the driver called the zombie and the zombie said,
"Stop the skeletons from riding on the bus."
Three skeletons were riding on a bus. One fell off and broke the horn. So the driver called the monster and the monster said,
"Stop these skeletons from breaking the bus."
Riding on a bus. Two skeletons were riding on a bus. One fell off and broke the seat. So the driver called the coast and the coast then said,
No more riding.
One skeleton was riding on a bus. He fell off and broke the bus. So the driver called the witch and the witch then said, "Fix the bus! Fix the bus!" They fixed the bus! All skeletons then fixed the bus, ready to ride it without a fuss. So the driver called the skeletons and then they said,
Come on, let's ride this bus tonight.
riding on a bus, riding on a bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The skeleton goes up and down, cracking his bones round and round. The skeleton goes up and down, all through the town. The zombie goes wiggle, 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 wobble, 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 jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. The zombie goes wiggle, 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 all through the town. The mommy goes dance, 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 clap your hands, dance, dance, dance. The mommy goes dance, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Huh? skeleton was walking with the cake. He threw the cake and all began to play. The zombie called the witch and the witch did say, "Don't eat the cake!" All the skeletons ate up all the yummy food. What they really did was not at all good. The zombie called the witch and the zombie did say,
We ate all the food and it was really yummy.
Hi, I'm Len.
"I'm Mini!
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.